This is a short tutorial on how to enable the 3-screen surround setup on your SimCraft simulator so that the left, center, and right screens are in sync and have one large picture across all 3 televisions. First, make sure that all 3 televisions are plugged in, and that's plugged in both by power and with an HDMI cable signaled to the PC, and also powered on. When they're powered on, you should see one TV that actually shows you the Windows desktop. This assumes your PC is also booted. The other two screens will be black, and that's normal. In order to access the functionality to enable the 3 screens, go to your desktop and right-click anywhere but on an icon. So anywhere in this space out here, right-click, and you'll get a menu that pops up. And one of the menu items is called the nVidia control panel. Select that, and then wait a few seconds, sometimes up to a half a minute, and the nVidia control panel will pop up. On the left side, you will see a number of options. The one we're looking for is called Configure SLI Surround Physics. It's the nVidia surround functionality that we're now going to access. Once you select that, you'll get a different screen on the right side. And you want to select the option that says Span Displays with Surround. And once you select that, this Configure button will become enabled. Now before you get to this point, down here you see 3 screens that show. These are the 3 televisions that are currently plugged in to the video card. And make sure you've got 3 of these screens here. If you do not have 3 screens here, do not continue. That means one of the screens is not plugged in or not turned on. And go back and check that before you proceed. So, if you have 3 screens here, then you're in good shape. Click the Configure button. Sometimes you'll get a message that pops up that says a program is running. In this case, a program called Overlay Tools. I'm going to open the Task Manager. And the way I got here was I went down to the task bar and right-clicked and went to the Start Task Manager option. And I'll bring it over here. And then the Task Manager pops up. And I'm going to look for that overlaytools.exe is what's telling me is the offending application. So I'm going to go look for Overlay Tools. This may not happen on your particular sim. This just happens to be what happened in our case on our simulator. So I'm going to end that process. Overlay Tools disappeared. And now over here on the nVidia control panel pop-up, you can now see it says none. There's no programs that are conflicting, and I can now continue with the operation. Now, as you can see, all 3 TVs have a number on them. That is the corresponding identity number of each television. Now we are going to range the numbers 1, 3, 2 in the order as they appear on our simulator. Your simulator may not be 1, 3, 2. It may be 2, 1, 3. It may be 3, 2, 1. It may be 1, 2, 3. Ours is 1, 3, 2. And so we're going to arrange them in the same order that they appear, left to right. 1, 3, 2. And then we're going to hit Enable Surround. And this takes a minute or so. The TVs will flicker on and off a couple of times, and all 3 televisions will turn on. And once they do, once they come up, the nVidia Surround will be enabled, and we will have 3 screens configured on our simulator. After that, just close the wizard, hit the X in the upper right hand corner, and then close the nVidia control panel. If it prompts you to save the changes, say yes, and you're done.